Welcome to channel. I am Ashish, medico at GMC Madhya Pradesh. In this video, I will tell you what I don't like in BD Chaurasia, the most followed book of human anatomy all over India. So as you know, when it comes to anatomy for medical students, the most commonly referred book is BDC, but there are certain disadvantages of reading only BD Chaurasia for human anatomy. So let me give you an example and clarify my point. So if you study the volume 2 of human anatomy and study about the abdomen part, then there is a topic called diaphragm. So if you start reading the diaphragm, the very first point, it's very clear that you will study about the definition, then origin. So when it comes to origin, let me tell you that diaphragm has three origin: the sternal origin, the costal origin, and the lumbar origin. The sternal and the costal origin you can imagine very easily by reading the topic, but when it comes to lumbar origin, it has a number of lumbar origin in the right crus, left crus, medial arcuate ligament, the lateral arcuate ligament, and the median arcuate ligament. It's all quite confusing, but if certain diagrams are provided to clarify the point, this topic is very simple. But in the case of BDC, only one diagram is provided of the origin, this diagram. But in that, the external origin and the costal origin is only clear, and the lumbar origin is not very clear. So if you are preferring to read diaphragm from BDC, then you should check once the other books and have a quick look on the lumbar part. You will find for yourself that particular diagram for the lumbar origin is missing, in which other diagrams you can easily identify the lumbar origin, but in the case of BDC is missing. So the only ill point of BDC is that the diagrams are not appropriate, and some diagrams are missing in different topics. If you are also facing the similar problems related to diagrams while reading BDC, then please mention in the comment box below. I will recommend you to check other books in which the topic is more clear, like that of Inderbir Singh, the Grays, or the Vishram Singh. See, the copy is always a copy. All the anatomy books are usually copied from or derived from the Gray's Anatomy. So I always suggest you to read the Gray's Anatomy, in which the points are very clear and it's very easy to read. But you should once have a proper orientation of the Gray's Anatomy. See, anatomy you can't study in one day, because it is such a huge topic to understand in very few days. So the very first intention of you in the first year is to pass the first year with very good marks. But if you are appearing for your professional examination, then if you are drawing that, because in the prof diagrams are very important, and if you are drawing the diagrams from the BDC, you are not able to recall or draw good illustrated diagrams which are needed in prof. So I suggest you to consult other books as well. Let me quote one other example from different volume, that is the head and neck, in which if suppose you have to study about the suboccipital triangle. See, suboccipital triangle, then it's given very systematic, the theory part, suboccipital muscles, exposure, how can you approach the triangle. But when you turn the page and reach to a diagram, see, the diagram is very complex, it's very clear, it's very difficult to draw, and the points are not very clear. There are other very simple diagrams of suboccipital triangle also. I will be uploading soon the suboccipital triangle video. So if you have not studied the suboccipital triangle yet, please stay tuned and stay subscribed. See, when it comes to drawing this diagram, you might see the diagram bit complex. So I suggest you to prefer other books for the diagrams you find difficult to draw in the BDC. And at last, the only suggestion I give, to consult other books including the Grays, Vishram Singh, Inderbir Singh. Inderbir Singh is quite a good book, but it's difficult to read because it is given in a very instructive way. But the Grays you should read because it is important for a prof, for clearing your doubts, having a good orientation of the anatomy, and as well as for your PG examination. So this is all I have to say. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe our channel.